I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam's Hey Mom. Chances are you're going to need to make some food for a bunch of people in the next few weeks. And one dish you can always plan to find at our house is Hashbrown Casserole. As you can see, my family celebrates Christmas. Sometimes that can be just a little bit stressful. But this recipe is going to take some of the stress off of you because it's super easy to make and it is always a crowd favorite. We're going to start out today by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're going to melt 1 stick of butter. Next thing we're going to need, a big old bowl. We're going to add our stick of melted butter, 1 can cream of chicken soup, one 16-ounce sour cream, 2 cups shredded Colby Jack cheese, a little salt, some cracked black pepper, and 1 small chopped onion. That step is optional if you're feeding my brother-in-law Timmy, who hates onions. We're going to use this paddle and mix up our butter, our sour cream, our cream of chicken soup, our cheese, our salt, pepper, and onion. Next step is to add our potatoes. I usually use frozen potatoes, but you can use fresh if you like. Some people prefer shredded hash browns. Some people like diced hash browns. I prefer to use something called tater rounds. That is correct, tater. They're just minced up potatoes formed in little patties. These tater rounds are completely thawed, so I'm going to do something crazy here. I'm just going to take my hands and just start mashing them up. This is actually a trick my friend Lisa taught me. I think it's a really great idea. Great way to get your aggression out. Just smash the hell out of these things. Once your aggression is alleviated and you feel like you've got these nice and smashed, we're going to add them to our mixture. I'm going to continue to blend this up with the other ingredients until everything is nice and smooth. If you wanted to add anything else to the mixture, now would be the time. Some people like to add sausage crumbles or ground beef, ham, or even green peppers. Once that's done, we're going to transfer this to a 13x9 casserole dish. If you have the disposable aluminum one, that's fine too. I'm going to give this a super light coating with some cooking spray. And we're going to put our mixture right in that casserole dish. We're going to spread that out nice and even. And this is ready to go in the oven. That's probably going to need to stay in our oven for about 45 minutes. We just want to watch it until we can see that all of the edges are nice and golden brown. That's just enough time for me to go wrap a couple of Christmas gifts and listen to some music. This is where recipes go out the window and common sense comes into play. I've made this before and it's been done in 45 minutes. Today it needed 55 minutes. The objective is to get it nice and brown around the edges, and that's something you're just going to have to judge on your own. The Hashbrown casserole needs to sit and cool for at least 10 minutes before you serve it. While this is cooling down, I'll tell you that I love to serve this on Christmas Eve as a side dish with my ham. But then one of my very favorite things is to heat it up in the morning and serve it with my Christmas Day brunch. This is a fantastic breakfast food. After all, it is hash browns. And absolutely, this is not just for the holiday season. It's one of my very favorite things to make when I'm grilling or cooking out in the summer. This comes with a warning. If you start taking this dish to your family dinners, or worse yet, to your work potluck, just be prepared. Your family members and your work friends are going to demand that you make this for the rest of your natural life, or at least until you retire. Yeah, it's that good. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd appreciate if you'd go down and hit that subscribe button for me. This time of year can be stressful. Go easy on yourself. I'll see you next Monday. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.